Using your tongue on the flute or any other wind instrument is very, very important and essential to learning your instrument and performing it with others. We would be nowhere without using our tongue. For example, listen to me play this scale without using my tongue to re-articulate each note. And again, using my tongue, which I will explain how in just 1 minute. You can hear the difference at the start of the note. The first one, where I was just using small bursts of air, is not nearly as precise and defined as when I tongue. You can clearly hear the start of the note. I tongue by pronouncing kind of a ta, 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 ta sound, using my tongue to interrupt the airstream that we've already established on the flute. So to get a really nice clear sound, we have this big, expansive, huge breath followed by a nice airstream going out into our flute. You can think of tonguing like interrupting a stream or a faucet of water really fast. Just here's the stream, and then all of a sudden your tongue interrupts it slightly and goes back. You can practice that on your own on one note. Let's use B flat because that's a note that we already know. Play a B flat, just a straight B flat with a nice sound. Separating the note, not with the tongue. Now playing the same note again, straight, and articulating this time using a ta syllable, ta, 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 while we're playing the note. It's okay if it doesn't sound quite clean at first. It's kind of hard to coordinate the air and the tongue and all of these little details, but the more that you try it, again, the easier it gets. Hot crossed buns, again. Let's hear the last 4 measures of that with only the huffing. Tonguing. So much better. It's important to note, again, that while we're tonguing, we're not changing anything that we've already learned. None of the sounds, the ease, hopefully, of playing with a big airstream, of the posture. It's just one more thing that we're adding on to our list of learning how to play the flute. Let's learn a few exercises to help us learn further how to tongue. I like to start with the slightly longer notes. Let's say a whole note, which is 4 counts. We'll do a whole note twice on a B flat, 2 whole notes on a C, and 2 whole notes on a D, the same 3 notes as hot crossed buns. I'll play with you. I'll count you off. At the start of each whole note, articulate or tongue once to show the start of a new note. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. Great. Let's do the same thing, but we're going to be tonguing twice as much because we will be playing half notes instead of whole notes. Half notes have 2 beats, and we'll do the same thing. So 4 half notes instead of 2 whole notes per note. 4 half notes on the B flat, rest. 4 half notes on the C, rest. 4 half notes on the D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. And finally, for the fastest moving notes in hot crossed buns, quarter notes. Instead of 4 half notes per pitch, we will do 8 quarter notes. Same idea, 8 quarter note B flats, rest, 8 quarter notes C, rest, 8 quarter notes D, with a tongue to start each individual note. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. And there you have it, tonguing on the flute.